Hello traders, Gary Wagner with WFGForex.com, Wagner Financial Group's market update for Monday, February 22nd. Market's currently trading 1115.50. It has been into the 116 area as low as 1110. What we are noticing is this continuation or inability to break this support level that we've been talking about for the last 2 weeks at 1120. Now, we did get a high that touched it, a high above it, another high above it, high above it. We actually had on yesterday's trading an open above it, but it has failed to close above that 1120, and that's causing me some concern. For the simple reason, a market that cannot break through resistance will go back down to test various levels of support. So I am concerned about that, but we'll see how this trade pans out. For those of you who recall, this doji is the doji which caused us some interest to actually initiate a buy signal. The following day we had an inverted hammer and then a belt hold line. So for those of you who took the call, we were in at 1079. We got in right in here, anywhere between, we issued the sell signal here, so we got in between these two areas, depending on where you placed it on the open fix. We've been trailing our stops up. Our stop is currently trading at 1100 or at 1100. I placed it below these bodies here, and we're unable to penetrate this area. So this is something that is giving me some concern. We have profits in the trade right now. We'll wait to see what pans out. We'll wait to see, because we've received a dark cloud cover, this pattern, twice now. The first time we saw the dark cloud cover here. We have a dark cloud cover in this area that we got the last couple of days, but we received, of course, no confirmation. So we're going to simply maintain our long position. In terms of our stop is currently trading or sitting at just below 1100, and I placed it there because the bodies of these candles are lows in which I'm hoping that it doesn't break through, and if it does break through, that's where I'm gleaning support from right now. So we'll see where the market wants to take us. We'll be doing our update through the week, not necessarily every day. The one thing that I also am noticing is our stochastic oscillator has really widened, but we're going into a territory where the market begins to tell us that it is in fact overbought. So I do want to pay attention to that. Percent D's at 6.24, percent K at 9.34. So we want to see what happens as the stochastics move up, because if they do move up and we see a cross, we might be looking at a potential for the market not to have the ability to break through and close above this first level. Of course, if it does, the next level that we've talked about is going to be right in here, 1140. But there's no sense in looking at 1140 if we cannot see a close above 1120. We've still got a good trade on our hands. As I said, we're in at a very nice place. We've got to stop protecting ourselves, also in a nice place. So we'll see how the market trades through the week. Good trading to you. Gary Wagner, Wagner Financial Group, WFGForex.com. Visit us online anytime. Bye-bye.